get people asking me, should I be using a high fidelity polymerase? And my answer to that is it depends what you want to do. There are actually 4 types of polymerase on the market. The first one is a standard polymerase. This is used for very high throughput, where you're after a yes-no answer and very, very simple results. Secondly, you have the hot start polymerase. And the hot start polymerase is where you're starting with low copy numbers, low amounts of material, you're doing multiplexing, or you've got slightly more complex DNA. Thirdly, you have a blend. This is a blend of a normal polymerase and a high fidelity polymerase. And this is where you normally have more complex DNA, where you need a slightly more robust mixture to go through the DNA itself. And then last but not least, we have the high fidelity polymerases. And the high fidelity polymerases are used where you're going to take that material, you're going to be expressing it, or you're going to be using it for things such as next generation sequencing.